would like to share it with you. It's a train toy set. I received it for decoration purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This train set is very nicely designed, high quality, durable. It looks very realistic. It comes with the steam locomotive, coal carriage, passenger carriage, and a fuel tank. And the big trucks that can be set in different ways. You can make it circle, soft square, or oval, like you see here. So it's suitable for under the tree, or it can be used just as a toy. It comes with very convenient and simple to use remote control. It has multiple features, including adjustable speed. There's rotating knob, so you can make it go faster. Or it also can go backward, which is new feature. Here we go. Besides that, it's designed with the steam, which is great. You can turn it on or off. It has a light on the front, and it has a button to make a sound. This train set is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, and I'm sure it's going to be so much fun for your kids. It's perfect gift idea for birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or any other occasion. I love this product very much, and I would highly recommend it to you.